Would I say something on the behalf of the judiciary and to clarify why our ranking is number 156 out of 190. There are some misconceptions on the question is because we have all the laws, we have all the acts and procedure. As Mr. Abu Shah just said, that Punjab is leading the way in the commercial courts. I want to explain that last year, Punjab also led the way in overseas cell by creating the cell first province in Punjab after the Supreme Court had the human rights cell, and we had a successful commercial bench, overseas bench which look after the matters of overseas, in which the investment of overseas have also increased. But today, this topic is very important for Pakistan economy at this point, when, as you say, the economy is measured by, when I was doing my commercial law practice for 25 years, we've been told that the economy of a country, the barometer to gauge the economy is the chartered accountant firms and the law firms, which gives the opinion to the investor how your rights are protected in a country, how your contracts are enforced, how the issue of the mechanism of the dispute is resolved through that. So when I was going through the number 156, and I noted in your book that it was filled up by the questionnaires by the law firms and litigants. I must say that they had some misunderstanding and misconception. We are not 156. As Mukarram Shah just said, we will go into two figures after what I'll show you, which they did not look, which is a part of the law, and this, with the help of my brother judges, we've been developing next, that our constitution of Pakistan, I can only talk about law and law only, that gives an opening to any investor, domestic or foreign investment in Pakistan, for the implementing the treaties and the agreements. That's fourth schedule, part 1, item number 3. When the constitution itself is a sovereign law, gives an opening of the enforcement of an agreement, and that article 70 of Federal List part 2 clearly states that every federal government can make a law on that. In Pakistan constitution is very unique. Under article 70 and 89 act and ordinances are made. In article 189 and article 201 the judgments of the Supreme Courts and High Courts are made, and they are binding on the courts below to the sovereign command of the constitution. Second, the constitution article inalienable right of every citizen to enjoy the protection of law. That's the constitution provision, the constitution backing for the enforcement of a contract to a domestic or a foreign arbitrator or an investor. Then article 37, that justice, expeditious justice be given to every person, where now I'll show how the courts in Pakistan with the Supreme Court of Pakistan are giving the expeditious justice in specialized laws. Then 10A, article 18 to trade and profession, and article 38. Here, which the law firms overlooked, because when they came to me in March, when I talked to my Chief Justice, they had a list of 29 items. I said, sorry, I think you have overlooked these lists. My ranking has gone to 156 because of the list which you overlooked by looking at these laws. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ आज को, delete all of them. We'll establish the commercial courts, we'll train the judges. I like the example of the London commercial courts. The best example in the world is Auckland, the New Zealand commercial courts, with the help of the World Bank. Then the third one is Singapore. I paid for Singapore courts, and I know how efficient they are because they have the World Bank backing on the ease of doing business. And the fourth now on list is now Almaty, the Kazakhstan model, which now the international arbitrations are moving toward Almaty because of the Russian and the Chinese influence. And we can't go, because Pakistan judiciary has always led the way in protecting the economy and also the rights of the citizens of Pakistan. So हमने कहा हम पीछे नहीं रह सकते. We have everything we have. I'll show you Economic Reform Act of 1992, Foreign Private Investment Promotion Act 1976, Contract Act 1872. All these laws, we are looking at the working group to amend certain laws, but these laws are there and there have been judgments of the superior courts in enforcing the contracts from time to time. There are foreign investments, there are other investments, all of them has been dealt with. Next, that is under the rule of law, the heading 1. Second is next please. Access to justice. Nobody looked into, by filling up my form of making me 156 country or 190, is I have the access to justice under the rule of law. We have superior courts, anybody can file anything they want to through the procedure. We have the high courts, have the appellate jurisdiction of company and all specialized laws. We have the appellate tribunals and commissions, competition commission, tax tribunals. We have specialized courts which are the commercial courts. We have now the most important, with the help of the ADB and the World Bank, we have the regulatory authorities. SCCP has the bench now, Competition Commission and National Tariff Commission, National Tariff Appellate Authority. We have various laws where you can go to OGRA, NEPRA, where every investor can move to these. They have the access to justice in Pakistan. Third, next please, dispensation of justice. That's the key why our number went to below. Was that key is very important, because that key is dispensation of justice. I was reading your report. They said they need a time frame of deciding a case, not 1000 days, 365. I will show you how 365 days are done. But when I'm talking about numbers today, the date is 7, and you always say 7 is lucky number. Today is a lucky day for Pakistan, a lucky day for Lahore High Court to do something on the 7th day. Procedure laws. Supreme Court Rules and Orders 1980, amended in November 2017. We have the High Court Rules and Orders. This is a very unique provision, a sumo to power provision to a judge. High Court Rules and Orders, Volume 5, Chapter K states that a judge may, however, mark any case as a commercial case either at the request of the parties or sumo to. Since I am a commercial judge, since Shahid Karim Sahib is sitting here, he is a commercial judge, if we find, or any other my brother judges, if they have any case which is of a commercial nature, they can mark it as a commercial cause and send it to us. That is something which is in the High Court Rules, amended back in 40 years ago. The commercial issue has always been with the Lahore High Court and civil courts as a mercantile law, and then at satisfied commercial cases will be marked and decided expeditiously. Then we have a civil procedure court, where execution is done, and order 20, a judge can pronounce a judgment on the same day or a date later. Next please. Dispensation of justice. This is another key when you look at the countries, when they're writing a report about any economy of a country, they look at the rule of law, access to justice, dispensation of justice, administration of justice, and how justice is given to a person inside Pakistan or outside Pakistan, and that is something, a specialized commercial banking laws, and all laws which we have drafted so far are time-bound laws. We're lucky that we just have Dr. Jawad Hassan, who is the senior counsel of the World Bank, was the advisor to Finance Minister. He drafted 8 specialized laws, including the Financial Institution of Recovery Ordinance 2001. All specialized laws on commercial and banking have a provision of PLA in this time, disposal of case in 90 days, and for a matter of fact, on a site, there is rent law of 58. Punjab Rent Restriction Act 2009 came. It is a time-bound law. PLA is given in section 22, it is decided, and there is the concept of disposal of cases. Now every law which has a commercial interest is a time-bound law. There is a decision given under the law and also by the judgments and by the National Judicial Policy Making Committee, NJMCPC. This is Article 39 Rule 1 and 2. And the beauty of the Companies Act of 2017 is that the preamble of the Companies Act of 2017 clearly states that alternate mechanism for expeditious resolution of corporate disputes. So in the 84 ordinance of company law, we never had this provision, but under the new Company Act, the detailed law, we have this preamble of this, and also the amendment to the first schedule of CPC is done by the High Court judges, my brother judges, which has all these issues of procedure be taken care of once they are notified. Next please. Fourth heading for the rule of law to delete all the items to improve my ranking from 156 to 56 is this administration of justice. Our courts are administered by the Supreme Court of Pakistan through the Law Justice Commission and the last National Judicial Policy Making Committee, 29 February 2020, that they have decided that NJPMC to order to provide speedy justice directed all administrative tribunals and special courts to be filled for clearing all backlog cases. We have various specialized laws on commercial matters where judges are not, the seats are vacant, and this NJMPC is a headed high power body of the legal body which headed by Chief Justice of Pakistan, which are all Chief Justices of all provinces, and they take decisions, and the last decision, the last meeting held was this meeting. I won't forget that they talk about numbering my country to 156 without knowing throughout COVID the entire country worked. There was not a single day Supreme Court or High Court took a day off. And that was under the NJMC committee meeting on the 19th of March 2020. This should be told to the world. Rest of the world, they were off, most of the countries, but we were never off. We passed cases, my all brothers sitting here, they've been sitting, but I do suffer from corona, so I had to take whatever. But all of them worked throughout the day, and that is the issue, that there is no delay in justice. Procedures are given. Next. And also the another objective of the NJP, National Judicial Policy, is to reduce, to eliminate the backlog of cases at all judicial forums, and also the financial matters crucial for economic development to revive preferences. And some of this is given that priority should be given to disposal of trade, commercial, investment cases. Such cases should be managed on a fast track through establishment of designated courts by constituting special benches by High Court and Supreme Court. Had these laws, procedures be looked into by the law firms and the litigants, our ranking wouldn't have gone to 156. That's what I wanted to prove today to everyone. And next please. Then High Court, our Lahore High Court also have a commercial judges and courts. We have under a rule to deal with the matters of commercial matters. And then another thing which we have today is Article 202 and Article 203 of the Constitution. The High Court has the supervision and control of all subordinate courts. I just heard 3 days ago on Friday, the Honorable Chief Justice, Justice Jawad Hassan, sat on the special bench of banking courts to see how banking courts are progressing. We have under the rules allocation of business administrative judges of specialized courts, and which the meetings are held to look at the backlog of cases and what to do and fill the vacancies. Next please. Last one. And there are later various judgments of the Lahore High Court on various issues dealing with the contractual enforcement, contractual mechanism, enforcing the dispute mechanism in the contracts back started in 1960 Lahore by Justice Kakos, and his judgment was the commercial contract written part to prevail against the printed part. There was a very famous case, and then there were other cases of judicial review awards of 2000 Supreme Court judgments time. This is the latest judgment, but this is Jawad Hassan 2017 SCMR 1696, where the Supreme Court has come to and explain the issues of the enforcement of contracts. Next please. I must acknowledge the support of the Punjab Judicial Academy, Chief Justice Pakistan, Lahore High Court, with the Research Cell and the Judicial Academy. They worked with the team of the P&D and the World Bank to come today and tell that we are not 156. We are training our judges, and inshallah, once they are trained of 1 week extensive courses, they will understand the nitty-gritty of the commercial law, all your requirements. But I want to thank first here the guest speakers whom me and Justice Shahid Kareem and the chiefs have called Kiji, this is something for Pakistan, not for us. We can't pay you. You have to train the judges. Salman Raja, senior advocate sitting here, all the Sare Am Baithe, Majid Wan Baithe, everybody is here. Whoever I called, all the speakers today, Asma is here, everyone is here to say that they are now training the judges, and once the judges are trained, next week 14th, they will take and start hearing cases. The day will be, and we will continue this course. We have prepared a nice booklet and a course, and whenever new judges are appointed, they will all do the same training. And the good would be the next year when we come here, see the performance and the judgments of those judges to celebrate again on 7th of September. Thank you.